video. So this one I'm super excited about. Well, I was super excited about. We'll get to that in a second. But this is my very first ever VoxBox unboxing, or getting a VoxBox. If you don't know what that is, there is a company called Influenster. They have a website and also an app that you can download on your phone where people can go on and you do reviews of different products. And it's just a good way if you're not sure of a certain product, you can put in the review, ask any questions about it, that kind of thing. But also in return for doing the reviews, when you first sign up, you do a whole profile and answer questions about what your favorite things are as far as beauty, skincare, food, whatever. And then they will, they have campaigns for different companies so that when they are able to match you up with one they feel would be best for you, then they will send you a VoxBox for free. So this is my very first ever one. I have been on Influencer for about 6 months. You do get points for doing the reviews and things, but from what I understand, it doesn't matter. There's been people that spend hours and days and months and however long doing all these reviews, and it doesn't really do a whole lot. You don't really, it doesn't affect anything. It's just whether or not you get picked and whether or not you are a good match. Okay. The reason why I was super excited, my very first one. Yes, that's so awesome, right? So I got the email. I will put a screenshot here. This is what they sent me. This is the Botanics box. There's like 4 different products. They're super awesome. An eye cream, some facial wipes, moisturizer, things like that. So I was like, cool, this is awesome. Like, this is perfect. So I got my box. I was like, yes, I get to try a whole new, like, brand that I've never heard of before and try it out, right? So let's see what's in here. I'm telling you this because I did look in here already because, you know, I'm impatient like that. But I'm glad that I did so we could do this video the correct way. I am grateful. I am grateful. Why would you waste an entire box and package and postage to send one product? One product, that's right. There is 4 products in the set, but for some reason, I only got 1. I'm not sure why. This is the Botanics. It is 81% organic with rosehip. It is a hydrating day cream for all skin types. I'm excited to try it. Creams are always good. However, I don't understand why I got 1 product. I don't think that I've ever watched a VoxBox unboxing where they only got 1 thing. That's just crazy to me. That's just crazy. So, but yeah, so this is the little card that you get. It tells you about it, and now I need to try it out and then go on to different websites. They want you to go to Ulta and Macy's and wherever they sell it, I guess, and put in a review on there as well as on the Influencer app. So I am going to try it. I am going to do what I need to do. This is my social media also, and as part of agreeing that I would show people the product. So here it is. This is the product right here. Hydrating Day Cream. You put on every morning after cleansing. See what it smells like. Alright. It says it's got rosehip in it, so I would assume comes some kind of like rosy smell. It smells like paint. It smells like I'm painting my walls and I didn't open the window. That's what it smells like. But that is, it's kind of a thick cream. I mean, I'll definitely try it out. I guess I can smell a little bit of the rose on there, but that's funny. Alright, but that's my product. So hope you guys like it. And coming up next, I will be doing my Ipsy, very first Ipsy as well, unbagging and unboxing and whatever you want to call it. So stay tuned for that. I will link it at the end of this video whenever it gets done. But yeah, so thank you Influencer for sending me my product, even though I don't know why I only got 1. I don't know why or how that works, but thank you. And yeah, so I will see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye.